Looking to restore an old water slide? Ramuc Slide Coat is the perfect product to bring an old, tired slide back to life. Ramuc Slide Coat creates a slick, high-gloss finish that promotes slippage and reduces friction. Ramuc Slide Coat features a 1-to-1 mix ratio, 2-component polyaspartic resin system that cures to a tough, durable finish. Ramuc Slide Coat is UV resistant, offering up to 4 years of service life. This product is chemical and abrasion resistant and perfect for concrete and fiberglass slides. VOC compliant in the US and Canada, Ramuc Slide Coat features a low odor formula that can be returned to service in as little as 24 hours. If you'd like to change your slide's current color, Ramuc Slide Coat can even be applied over Ramuc High Build Epoxy. Ramuc Slide Coat is engineered to optimize leveling and wetting properties to ensure your slide is smooth, slick, and ready for some fun. Restore that old slide today and slide into fun with Ramuc Slide Coat.